Imagine you're creating a visual representation of responses to a set of Likert items, but you notice a slight problem. The distribution of responses is not very clearly connected to the corresponding prompts, making it a tad confusing for viewers. You want to make it easier for them to link each response bar to its respective prompt, enhancing the overall readability and comprehension of the visualization. Now, let's dive into the solution that can help you address this issue. We'll be utilizing the text element_markdown function, which allows us to enclose each prompt text within a box, thereby creating a visual link between the prompt and its corresponding bar. It's a neat trick that adds a touch of structure and clarity to the visual representation. Continuing with the solution, we can enhance the axis ticks by using a vector to control the lengths of the ticks. This adjustment further assists in visually connecting the prompts and responses, ensuring that the information is presented in a cohesive and easily digestible manner. It's all about refining the visual elements to optimize understanding and engagement. Another aspect we can explore is using annotations to simulate axis ticks. By employing a geometrical underscore segment approach, we can create faux ticks that align with the prompts, contributing to a more cohesive and visually appealing representation. This method requires a bit of tweaking to get the lengths and positioning just right, but the end result is definitely worth the effort. To wrap it all up, we've covered various techniques to enhance the clarity and coherence of your Likert item visualization. By incorporating these strategies, you can create a more engaging and informative visual representation that effectively conveys the relationship between the prompts and responses. Remember, clarity is key when it comes to data visualization. Stay tuned for more insights and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, keep visualizing with flair.